Wrecker weather starts now with meteorologist Eric Johnson.
Here's a live look from the Great Falls Clinic iCam. We have warmed up significantly over the last 24 hours, sitting at 41 degrees right now in Great Falls, although there is a pretty gusty southwest breeze, so that's going to add some wind chill as you're headed out this Tuesday morning. But this afternoon we'll warm up to about 47 degrees. We'll get in on some sunshine, and that warm front will continue to lift north. So for folks on the high line, we're going to see those temperatures starting to rise as well. We'll likely top out in the 30s today in a lot of areas. It's about 42 degrees warmer than this time yesterday in Cut Bank. So that warm front is really helping to allow those temperatures to climb quickly. And we are going to continue to see those temperatures on the rise throughout the rest of the week, especially later this week where we will see high temperatures getting into the 50s. But we do have another round of high winds likely Thursday night, likely all the way through Saturday. And some of these stronger winds could make it into Great Falls as well. So we'll keep a close eye on that. And then we do have another storm moving in by Sunday. That's going to bring cooler temperatures and then our next chance for some rain and snow. We do still have some high wind warnings in effect for the Rocky Mountain front. These will go through 11 o'clock this morning. We still could look at a few gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour from Glacier County all the way down to northern Lewis and Clark County, but those winds will gradually diminish throughout the day. Wind chills are still below zero. We're at 21 below this morning in Malta, but you can see those wind chills have finally warmed up above zero for Havre, and we're going to continue that warming trend throughout the day. It's feeling like 2 below right now in Fort Benton. You'll eventually get some warmer air. It's going to take some time to get that cold air out of some of those river valleys on the high line and down into Choteau County. 33 is what it feels like in Great Falls this morning. But this afternoon we'll warm up to about 52 in Stanford. We should get up into the upper 30s and low 40s in Fort Benton, and we'll look at mid and upper 30s across the high line for today, and then dropping into the teens and 20s into tonight. But you can see those sustained winds are starting to die down a little bit. We're down to about 15 miles per hour in Great Falls. Again, that warm front lifting north quickly throughout the rest of the afternoon. We'll get some sunshine in for the first half of the day, and then some clouds will roll in later tonight and especially into tomorrow as a weak system will drop in tomorrow evening. That could bring some light freezing rain and snow to eastern parts of the high line, so we may wake up to a light dusting of snow up in Glasgow. The rest of us will be looking at dry conditions and some sunshine throughout our Wednesday, but temperatures will be a touch cooler. Now this high pressure ridge is going to push a little bit further to the west, but we will still see some warmer air building back in for the end of the week with high temperatures into the mid and some even upper 50s possible into our Saturday. And then there's that next system dropping in, bringing some cooler weather into next week. But it will be a little bit breezy this afternoon and throughout the next few days for the Rocky Mountain front, but it's really Thursday night when we will start to see those winds ramping up. High temperatures today into the mid and upper 40s. We may even see an isolated spot hit 50 degrees today, forecasting 52 for Stanford, 47 in Lewistown, and on the high line we will all be warming up into the 30s and even some low 40s for this afternoon. But a beautiful rest of the week ahead, looking at high temperatures up to 53 by Friday before our weekend turns unsettled with some rain snow mix possible into Sunday. Here's a live look at the Great Falls Clinic iCam on